Okay, still graphing systems. Now here's the deal. It has y equals 5. In all of these in the table, you always start with the y-intercept. Like this one would be 0, hit right arrow, 0, right arrow, 5. Now, here's the deal. When it's y equals 5, the value will always be 5. So it's this, you can just go to 1. You don't even need your calculator for this. 5. Check that one off. Don't move to the next table until you get to a green. Don't hit the check mark until it's green. You're just using the arrows to move around. Y equals -3. So what would be the y-intercept here? Yeah, 0, -3. Now, notice I hit I'm going to hit my down arrow, go back over there. This one is going to be, and then just go 1. What's the y value going to be? -3. The same would work for x equals. The x would always be the same, and you can put any number in for y. All right, let's check it out. Now, you come down here and graph it. 0, 5. And then we went 1, 5. There you go. All right, 0, -3, and 1, -3. These lines are what? Parallel. So what's the answer? No solution. And they don't use the at one point. Let's just type in no solution, see what happens. Oh, I got to check it out. Oh, there it is. At what point? No points of intersection, no solution. There it is. All right. Here's the ones I want to talk about. Now you got a cheat. I'm going to show you a cheat for your other graphic. Y equals -1/2 x. Now, on all of them, they want you to start with the y-intercept. So b here is equal to 0. If you don't know, watch this. Get your calculator out. So we're going to go to this. Home, new document, enter. Never save. And we're going to add a graph. And our equation is y equals -1/2 x. So all you got to do is go control, divide, and we'll go -1, down arrow, 2. Hit the right arrow, hit the x, and hit enter. There it is. Now, go to your table. Control T. That's how you get to your table. Control T. Now, if you don't know what your y-intercept is, there it is. So wherever x is 0. See, some of y'all are not paying attention and not doing it. Don't ask for help. Now, here's the deal. Honors is having a hard time with this. You can't plot -0.5, can you? There's no mark for that. But they keep doing it. They keep doing it. Here's a point. Can you plot 2, -1? Yes or no? Yeah. So go to your table, and we go here, and now we put in 2, right arrow, -1. Hit enter. Now you can check it off. It's green. Now I can do this one. All right. Y equals -2x minus 6. Here we go. Let's go back to home. New document. No. And we're going to add a graph. And we'll put in 2x minus 6. Hit enter. There's a graph of your line. Now, you go to your table. Control T. Now, go to 0. There's your y-intercept, 0, -6. We got that one. Now, the next point would be 1, negative 4. Right there. Now, we just go, what you do is you go back to your table, put them in. 0, right arrow, negative 6. And then we put in 1, right arrow, negative 4. Check it off. Uh-oh. What was it? Oh, it was negative 2, 6. I put it in wrong. My bad, guys. So that would be 1, negative 8. Sorry about that. I put it in wrong. That hurts too. You got to put it in correctly. Now, here's what you do. You take those points. 0, 0, plot it. 2, negative 1. There it is. 0, negative 6. 1, negative 8. So where do the two lines intersect there? No. Negative 4, 2. So you would type in negative 4, comma, 2. Now y'all have the cheat to the other ones. All right, let's go through this again. Let me write it down. So go ahead and write that equation down if you already know it. I mean, if you got your calculator, put it in your calculator. I'm going to do it for everybody here. All right, home, new document, no, add a graph, enter. So control divide, 1, down arrow 2, right arrow X, minus 4. Hit enter. Always start with the y-intercept, control T for your table. All right, so here we go. 0, negative 4. That's 1 point. Now, find the next point you can put in. 2, negative 3. So, we go to our table. 0, right arrow, negative 4. That's our y-intercept. And we really didn't need the calculator for that, but some of y'all do. And the next point is 2, right arrow, negative 3. Check it off. That table's good. Now, the next one, y equals negative 5x plus 7. Put that one in. At graph. Oh, y'all can't see. So I would type in negative 5x plus 7. Hit enter. How do I get to my table? Control T. Now, go up to 0. Oops, my bad. Let's hit escape. If that ever happens, just hit escape. Let's go up to 0, 0, 7. And we can put in 1, 2. All right, so we go to here. So we go 0, right arrow 7, and 1, 2. We got 2 green boxes. Let's plot the points. 0, negative 4, and 2, negative 3. That's one of them. Now, 0, 7, which is right here, and 1, 2. So where do those two lines intersect? Oh, wait a minute. First do this. Get that green dot. So where do they intersect? 2 negative, no, that's 2 what? 2 negative 3. Y'all see how to do this? Not too complicated, is it? 2 negative 3. All right, there we go. All right, I'm going to send this to y'all.